Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use your PC as a Wi-Fi hotspot. A Windows PC can share its internet connection by turning it into a Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing other devices to connect. This is useful when you want to extend your wired or existing network connection wirelessly. The feature is built into modern Windows versions and can be configured in just a few settings. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and make sure it is connected to the internet. Click the Start menu and open the settings. Go to Network and Internet. Choose Mobile Hotspot from the panel. Find Share My Internet Connection From and choose Wi-Fi as the sharing method. Click Edit to set your hotspot name and password. Enter a network name, SSID you want other devices to see, and set a strong password for security. Click Save to apply changes. Turn on the mobile hotspot toggle switch, then wait for Windows to activate the hotspot service. On your other device, open Wi-Fi settings and search for available networks. Connect to your PC's hotspot using the password you created and confirm internet access. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.